In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Google Forms into Jotform. To begin, open Jotform in one browser tab and Google Forms in another. Make sure you are logged in with the same Google account on both. On your Google Forms page, you will see all the forms you have created. Click on the form you want to import into Jotform. Next, click on the Share icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen and then click on the option to copy the responder link. Once the link is copied, return to Jotform. At the top left-hand corner of your screen, click on Create. Select Form, and then scroll down to find the Import Form option. From here, select From a web page, paste the URL link you copied from Google Forms, and click on Create Form. At this point, Jotform will ask you to grant access to your Google account so it can properly import the form. Click on Continue. Select the Google account in which your form is created, scroll down, and again click on Continue. Grant the necessary permissions and confirm. After that, Jotform will display names of all the forms available in your Google Forms account. For example, in my case, I only have one form called Contact Information, so it is the one showing up. Simply select the form you want to import and then click on Migrate. Once the process is complete, click on Back to My Forms. You will now see your new form in your Jotform account, and typically its name will begin with Imported. If you click on Edit Form, you'll notice that all the fields and settings are identical to your Google form. Even the required fields remain the same. If you want to make small customizations, like changing the background color or adjusting the design, you can do so easily from here. You can also watch our complete video on how to edit forms in Jotform for more guidance, and that's how you can successfully import Google Forms into Jotform.